This video we are going to talk about how you can add products in your sales funnel and start selling online worldwide. All right. So in the previous video, we have shared how you can clone the free funnels from Askmefunnels membership area to your own ClickFunnels account. All right. And in this video, we are going to talk about how you can add products so that you can sell using those free funnels. All right. So let's take an example of the teeth whitening kit funnel, which is basically $10,000 per month funnel, uh, according to one of our client project we have worked on. All right. So we have give away this product funnel for free under Ask Me Funnels membership area, and if you want to use this funnel, just you need to just sign up on the askmefunnels.com and you would be able to clone these free funnels. All right. So to add products basically in your funnel, you must have a order page funnel. All right. So here you can see this is the order page funnel, this is also the order page funnel, this is the order confirmation funnel, and this is the upsell funnels. Sorry, in this is the another order funnels. All right. So basically order funnel is what, in the order funnels you are not just getting leads, you can directly sell using your own funnels. All right. So this is a preview of the teeth whitening funnel which I have shared. So here is you'll be able to explore the order form directly. All right. So that you can allow your users to purchase the product from without leaving the window and without making 2 3 4 step checkout process. All right. So this is the basically the order funnel, and to add the allow users to make sales, or sorry, to allow users to make checkout, you need to add products. All right. So let me share you an example why you need to add products. Let's say I have entered my details over here. When I click on the next step, there is no product. All right. So to make this product sales funnel working, I need to add the products. So to add the products, what you just need to do is select the funnel step and head over to the products tab. Here it will ask you to add the new product. Since it also shows a message that looks like you have not added any products for this funnel step yet, begin by selecting add a funnel below and set the price of your product inside of the settings. All right. So what I need to do is just click on the add product option, and first right is that I need to check out the select the payment gateway method. I In the previous video I have shown you how you can connect PayPal and Stripe. So if you do not know how you can connect the PayPal and Stripe, just check out our previous videos and you would be able to learn how you can connect PayPal and Stripe. The both integration takes hard to 2 minutes for the both integrations. All right. So let's say I selected PayPal for these integrations. All right. Here you can check out the payment modes. Right, if you are selling products which are the recurring products, and so in that case I will select the subscription products. But if the product is the one-time purchase, I will suggest the one-time products. All right, since my teeth whitening product kit is a one-time product which I am selling, and it will not charge users in a recurring mode, so I have selected one time. If your product is a subscription product, in that case, and you want to charge your user for after the particular time period, you should select the subscription mode. All right. Let me click on the one time product. All right. So once I am done with that, just click on the save and next button. after that, name your product so that you can and even your users can understand what product they have bought. So since I am selling the teeth whitening kit, so I have added the teeth whitening kit over here. Let's suppose the price of the product is 29 USD. So I have entered the 29 USD. Price display overhead is basically an optional message. And if you are, let's say, if you are having a product for the recurring mode and you can charging for the after every month, so you can charge, you can mention here $29 per month. All right. Shipping address is basically an address from where you are shipping the product so that users can understand where they are getting product shipped from. So just for the reference, I am entering the default details over here. All right. And here is a brief product description. The whitening kit, one time purchase. You can add whatever you want to add over here as a product description. Okay, this is not mandatory. So bump product is basically a kind of product which you want to add as a bump over here in the order page. All right, since this product is our main product, so I am not going to mark this as a bump product. All right. Another option is product inventory limit, so that if you want to create an urgency in your user's mind, you can add a product inventory limit over here. Let's say I have available 100 of the 1000 of the inventory for the teeth whitening, and I have sold 975 kits. All right, so I add over here and just click on the save and next button. So while users they would be able to get that is a 1000 available, but among of them 975 has already been sold, so I need to hurry up. All right. So if you want to create the variations of the product, like for the different quantity of the teeth whitening kit, so you can create the product variations by enabling this and one options. All right. So since I have not any kind of product variation, I'm not going to add the product variations for this video. All right. Click on save and next button after that. Since you have a digital products, or sorry, physical product, so you can enable the fulfillment email, which they will get after they have completed their purchase successfully. All right, you can just enable this. Enter your subject like thanks for the order, and here would be a complete message to display. All right, and just click on the save and next button. This is a very important step, that is a follow-up action, because follow-up action is basically what a series of the emails which you can send to your clients after a particular time period. It works similarly like the kind of email marketing platform. You can set up the emails inside ClickFunnels. If you have a ClickFunnels Platinum account, basically you can set up the emails according to the for particular time duration, like you want to retarget your users after a month and want to share the coupons for your products and services, you can set up the follow-up action over here. So in that case, the users who would be able to purchase these products from your funnel, they would automatically get subscribed to the follow-up action funnel. And what happens that according to your setup, after particular time duration, they would be able to get an email notifications in their inbox related to different kind of offerings you have, different coupons you have, or even if you have a new product launch, they would get automatically notified, and you do not need to have any third party email marketing service provider if you have ClickFunnels split in an account. Alright, so this is the task of the basically follow-up action, and if you are using the ClickFunnels, you can use this you can trigger the follow-up actions to get automatically notified your users regarding your offers. Alright, once you are done with that, click on the save and close button. This is how one again when you click on the products tab, now you'll be able to check that you have one product which costs $20 to your user. Alright. So let me quickly refresh my this for teeth whitening funnel and enter the details again. When I click on the next step, here you go. Here is a teeth whitening funnel which is a $29 costing. Alright, since I have already integrated PayPal, so it asking me to pay for the $29. Alright, once I click on the one quantity, there is a basically a different kind of custom codes. You would be able to get the details of these custom codes to allow user to add quantity in my next video. Alright, so I'm not just covering this quantity selection in this video. Alright, so after you have selected the quantity, just hit on paper button, and the user will be able to check out using paper after logging into their paper. So this is how you can set up your own ClickFunnels account, and you can add products in your sales funnels to start making money in next 60 minutes. For more details related to product funnels and how you can sell on things online and how you can set up your own one product store within next 60 minutes, just dive deep into the advanced funnel strategies available inside the Askmefunnels membership area, and you will be able to get step-by-step tutorials how you can set up your own sales funnels, how you can set up your own products funnels to start making money and set up your another stream of income by working just 1 or 2 hours in a day. Alright. Thanks for watching this video, and in the next video we will talk about how you can grow your business using these product funnels.